Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to add a GIF to your video using CapCut. GIFs can make your videos more fun and engaging. We will walk you through each step, from importing a GIF to placing it in the timeline. Let's get started. In CapCut, we go to Create a Project. Let's click Create a Project. Once we are in, we just need to import the video we want to use. Then drag it down to our media. Now, if we want to add a GIF, we have a sample GIF ready. As you can see, we have a sample GIF file here. To use it in our video, we just need to import it. We click Import in CapCut, then find the GIF we want to add. We select the GIF and drag it down to our overlay. As you can see, the GIF is now in the timeline. We can place it wherever we want. Then we adjust it to fit the video. We then play the video from the start, and there is our GIF. We have successfully added a GIF to our video in CapCut. Our video is now more lively and engaging for viewers.